In a moment, I will describe a pleasant scene of taking a walk on a rainy autumn morning. First, we will focus on relaxing your body. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and let yourself feel loose and relaxed. The best way to relax is to sit with your feet flat on the floor and your arms at your sides, or lie flat on a bed or floor. Listen to my voice and focus in on what I am saying. One of the best ways to relax is to take a few moments, focus in and concentrate on your breathing. Get in tune with your entire breathing process. Think about it, sense it, feel it, experience it. Sense and feel air coming into the body as you inhale. Sense and feel some air leaving the body as you exhale. Begin to feel the relaxation, particularly in the chest muscles as you exhale. Also note the nice rhythm produced each time you inhale and exhale. A very comfortable, relaxing rhythm. Inhaling and exhaling. As this very normal breathing process continues, you will find that you are able to relax more thoroughly, more comfortably. And as I continue to talk to you, your breathing will assist you in relaxing even more deeply, even more completely. As you relax, you might feel yourself wanting to let yourself sink deeply into relaxation. That is okay. Just allow yourself to sink into a deeper, deeper, relaxed state. You want to allow your whole body, especially your eyes, to go deeper and deeper and deeper into a totally free, warm, relaxed state. And now you're letting yourself go deeper, deeper, deeper. You want to fully relax and get your body out of your way and go deep, down deeper into a fully free and easy, relaxed state. And at the same time, you can begin to focus your attention on the top part of your head, your scalp. Much like you did with your breathing, get in tune and in touch with your scalp. The feelings in your scalp. Sense and feel the muscles, the skin tissue, the hair follicles, and pay particular attention to the muscles of the scalp, allowing those muscles to become just as comfortable and just as relaxed and smooth as you would like. And then just let that feeling of smoothness and comfortableness and relaxation filter through all of the muscles in the scalp. Let that feeling of smoothness and comfort and relaxation just flow down into the muscles in the forehead. Just let those muscles smooth out and become relaxed and comfortable. Flowing, soothing, comfortable relaxation Now down into the muscles of the forehead, the temples, the cheeks, down into the chin, around the mouth. All of the facial muscles now comfortably and thoroughly and deeply relaxed. Such a good feeling. And that feeling of comfort and relaxation can continue down into the muscles of the neck, the front, the back, the sides of the neck, down into the base of the neck. Flowing, comfortable relaxation across the shoulders now and down the arms and through the elbows and the forearms, and the wrists and the hands. Comfortably, thoroughly relaxed. The hands and sometimes even the scalp may tingle a little, may feel a little warm or a little cool. That sensation doesn't have to happen, but if it does, it is very normal and natural. There is nothing to be concerned about. Just enjoy the deep, comfortable relaxation. Your breathing has slowed down nicely now, comfortably. And as that feeling of relaxation and comfortableness continues to flow down all the muscles in your back and chest and sides and down into your waist, you can just sense yourself relaxing more deeply and completely, more thoroughly and more deeply relaxed. And as that feeling of relaxation and comfort comes down into the waist and down into the hips, you may sense a feeling of heaviness in the entire body, a feeling of heaviness more completely and more thoroughly relaxed, flowing, comfortable relaxation down into the hips and down into the legs, down through the legs, down into the ankles, down through the ankles, and finally into the feet. The entire body, all of the muscles in the body, thoroughly comfortable and deeply relaxed. Listening to my voice, focusing in on what I am saying, and just letting go. Complete, total relaxation. Allow yourself to picture the scene as I describe it. You are walking a quiet country lane. Early in the morning, just at dawn, when the darkness of night is just beginning to disappear. A light drizzle is falling. The lane winds through a wooded area next to a stream. All around you, trees of oak, maple, hickory, birch, dogwood, sassafras, and redbud rise into the sky. Although it is autumn and you can feel the chill in the air, you are dressed comfortably for this walk. You can't yet see the colors of the trees, as the darkness still clings to the cloudy sky. You hear the sound of the rain splashing on the leaves, a gentle pitter-patter of sound as the water drips from the leaves to the stream. The sound of the first birds of morning singing, chirping, and calling to one another adds to the tranquility of this moment. The only other sound you hear is the crunching of the gravel and leaves beneath your feet. As you continue to walk, you can see the sky lighten in the east in front of you. As the sky continues to lighten, you can see mist rising from the warm water of the stream, winding its tendrils around the branches of the trees and floating hazily across the lane in front of you. The wooded hillsides all around you appear mysterious on this cloudy, rainy day, as if hiding another world in the mist and swirling leaves. You see the sun rising behind the trees, almost tentatively emerging from the clouds. The sunrise casts shades of pink and orange across the clouds. The view through the mist is stunningly surreal and dreamlike. You begin to see, with the breaking of day, that the trees have changed into their autumn dress. You see all around you the deep reds of the oak and the dogwood, the bright oranges of the sassafras and maples, and the sunshine yellow of the hickory trees and the birch, interspersed with the evergreens and the late changing trees still green. Some trees have vines running up their trunks, delivering a contrasting color. You see a bright red vine crawling up the trunk of a hickory, all dressed in yellow, and a still green vine winding around a crimson dogwood. The gentle breeze stirs the leaves of the trees, causing a cascade of leaves to float to the ground. You watch the dance of the leaves as they twirl around one another, drifting higher and then lower, gliding on the currents of the breeze. You watch a boat-like leaf that floats lazily from a tree on one side of the lane, crossing in front of you, twirling. As the first tendrils of the rising sun peek through the clouds, you notice the light sparkling on the yellow upper part of the leaf, contrasting with the darker underside shaded from the light. One by one, each leaf finds its way to the ground, some joining the multicolored blanket of leaves beneath the trees. You notice that some leaves sail on the currents, bringing them to rest lightly in the stream flowing beside the lane. You watch as the leaves swirl round and round in the water, floating down the stream. You come to a boulder beside the stream and feel the smooth wetness of the stone. You sit down to watch the leaves floating down the stream. You watch raptly as some of the leaves swirl together and apart, others become glued to rocks in the stream, while others sink quietly beneath the water. And some resemble miniature boats carrying tiny ferries to distant places. You notice the trees on the other side of the stream, hanging branches almost touching the water. You see the individual variation in the trees, how the outermost branches become increasingly tinged with yellow and then with orange, while the leaves of the inner branches and those closest to the ground are still green. Overhead, the clouds continue to sprinkle the trees and your face with silvery raindrops. But in the east, you see the parting of the clouds to reveal the sun rising in all its splendor. You notice the sunlight playing on the surface of the water, the raindrops acting as a prism, causing a kaleidoscope of colors to dance above the stream. As you look away from the sun, you see a rainbow form across the stream, as if it were a bridge to the other side. You sit and listen to the soft sound of the rain, watching the leaves at play in the air and the water, as the breeze stirs the branches of the trees and ripples the water. The sunlight from the rising sun peers through the watery curtain of mist and raindrops, seemingly to cause the very air around you to shimmer and sparkle and glisten like falling diamonds. As the scene unfolds peacefully before you, a sense of complete and utter relaxation fills your body. You feel connected and at one with all that you experience. It is almost as if you are part of each raindrop and each leaf. You experience the sun rising through the mist so completely, so deeply. You feel so peaceful, so relaxed, deeply, deeply relaxed. All you need to do is imagine sitting on the boulder, watching the leaves through the rising mist, cascading down from the trees and dancing across the sparkling water. Whenever you picture this scene, you can feel the relaxation and oneness with nature that you feel now. You may enjoy this experience however long you like, and awaken peacefully whenever you choose, feeling refreshed and prepared for your day.